enkofo so ko prempe bi sinye no kre enne ye pesi ho ya mpasa ko prempe
lucky enough me call prempe college
ko ye be wie ye be
me call prempe 94
okay
me wie JSS 93
okay
I will new asafo
okay
Kumasi
okay and now the call prempe
and I'm the call
okay course be na now
na me general as economics, geography and advanced.
Okay. And I be singing no credit because almost all brofo nye prempe brofo.
Say yeah adwuma dia. They always so mutie no. I don't know what say the ma wo.
Okay.
E wa bra yeah adwuma. And course school. They know DFS yeah you know. A friend senior buga so a police me.
Okay.
Wontumi so me wa ha.
Okay.
What I say we go there to make friends and also to have information to help us in the future.
I the one who brofo no wa na say dem. Anana brofo ni hia Chairman.
Me nyini wa London.
Okay.
Try brochure for so many years.
Okay.
What I say the me person me bia no.
Brofo person o kan na o kan.
Yes, I na me kan so so a me disikaba brofo disikaba na me kan. Anya brofo a
anya brofo tente
anya brofo hunu bia sa na meka
anya brofo
hunu na meka
brofo
disikaba ba ma madwumafo ho atawo mo na me compare akoso ade na meka
and no be kan some Chairman
I will try
into we prempe no minim say ukotena UK
yeah
how between where we no it take how long as I go UK.
Oh, we and man chebia na me call you. Me dey ka Bible school answer.
Oko Bible school. Ghana.
Bethel Bible School. Illinois, Chicago.
Into now call say the best of one na there.
So we sua car can be a driver.
Into oko for how many years?
Oh, that is about
short course.
Yes, a short course about 6 months.
But me well interest now the call ya na say na calling.
No. Tama me wo Ghana digna no. Na me wo bear 12 fellowships. Into obi a wo ni me ya bia na there. Onum say me obi a
ofre wo also.
Obi a wo calling.
Internet na we no Bible school no one find sorry no.
Me yeah.
We are sorry.
Me
sorry.
Me koy na kra me say na me wo fellowships bear 12.
Okay, we can fellowship bear 12 a such as say.
A church say me wo baby 12 places na say town sir.
Now we
me ye ma sorry o.
What in London how many years?
So many years.
Okay, na adwuma be na.
My first work me cleaning.
Okay.
I had master's work.
Okay.
Croydon Wave Center, I was a cleaner there. As son of a juma or gym. Gym na fe become instructor then na me na mabopa. Then I'll tend to be a bouncer and a bodyguard.
Then from cleaning to gym instructor to bouncer
to bodyguard. We threw honam the bagana.
Obagana betan tema.
Yes.
Oba bin chen.
Yeah, me. What you say?
Oba ton oba bin chen Chairman.
Oh, Prophet Muhammad so no sunya oba bi. Prophet Muhammad is sunya oba bi.
Information me gather say oba bi na boa wa wotema ho.
Ni pa hia moa.
Okay, into no obetan so as we jiri ana say den ana wompuna na dey. That
time things was a little bit hard.
Yeah.
Things was a little bit hard. I have to be sincere. That time no na me fan so ba me no wo London I mean na wo me fan say me here no. Now we have a challenge, we have a problem. And then ma a boy me ma me timi the bar Ghana.
Okay.
And so that time no my boss na me so me bodyguard he came to Ghana. And men am did no dos din ka ba Ghana. Indomie, my friend Indomie, you know, I brought it. But unfortunately, it sounds a different Korea and a buy into not Kasani Korea for year. Into standard board and food and drugs board for almost a year, mammy at the time on person with Jim Mamino, not just I spy.
Chairman, so or ba na no temano.
Yes.
No, on your year.
Oh, madam for.
No, madam for. Into what now for how long?
4-5 months.
Then there will be your banner. Okay.
I didn't know when kind of.
Into time when I got them see you, man, a bum.
By time wa. Na masa share another business I say.
Okay.
Na masa kwaye watchman.
Ewe.
Ewo papa bi a friend wo na me supply wo no do so no. Na me supply life. Na me supply opoku trading. Na me supply ba ko bi a friend no Boogie supermarket.
Okay.
Boogie supermarket. Na Boogie supermarket no na India ni bi na ho. Nti abra bibia na hwe ase no. Ana me call omo ho say me sra omo say omo emboa me na afei omo mfa me as security.
Into some be security organ na.
Ai na me fra brocha ba.
Ewe hefa.
Ebo kumase. Abra me call omo ho say omo mfa me adwuma ye. Omo say obi a be supply niam ye because omo hwe niam me de bre omo ne ade a omo say they cannot take me as a security. Me reho pa because abre no obi enu ha wonim wo esen wa wo ho. And that time enye say bi a bibi ne fie ana enye say bi nso ana mentimi nko abrochire ne back na metimi akọ. But I decided to say no. Bisika yira wa enioma na me de buy na agira na wo say me hwehwe so I'm not going.
Yes. Fast forward no.
Enti ayi no na o ma amfa menti bugis no. On the India ni bi na ho no say me fa wo de a ene na me no nya adamfo bio because I see you as a friend. But if you want to be work for me, then I can't call you as a friend again. And I say yes, it's a deal.
Into omo fa as security. Security
until me cause 6 o'clock. Me ko ren ho a.
How can what in fear saying?
Was about 25, 26.
Enti o ko ren adwuma mu ha. Opon anu akoda he.
Me opon Sunday na me ko fie.
Okay.
But that time me na so na me wa brosan me ensan.
Ewo hefa.
Ewo kumase. Me call ye de me papa ye ne say. Me papa o do call ye yipa or no ade se ka beta asase ama. To ye adwuma.
Na o de abeti.
Wo de atwa asase ne ka. Wo ye adwuma na wo si di ama.
O papa no o ye hwan wo kumase.
Me papa o ye wo hene. Odi wo hene be 45 46 years.
Kro ben so hene.
O ye lake baby a lake bosontwenda no. I'm a small prince.
Okay.
What does India near the farm in Timekoa 6 o'clock. Na my ram and abo and I draw and past 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Into Bosumi no tria meka 800 cities. That time no na kufu news kayema.
Into 8 Ghana.
And nay 8 Ghana. Into abra bitiminya nipa 24 na bitiminya ska register as a security company.
Unye nipa 24 saying
say fie ayi no ba be hwe ho a na me so makohwehwe obi na mama wa ba ha na me matua o ka say na ma keep 200 na ma sa kohwehwe fie foforo sa akopim se menya nipa 24
and two registered for company ne dey
I be a friend lesbian
security
yes
okay so your security company for how long
security company and na krada so ho
God I'm say when they introduce you
me call ho na me nipa be 500 I was a dreadlocks to say rasta.
No, I rasta.
Yes.
And I'll call her.
Yes.
And I also call from Kotubi.
Of course you do.
And who the no man rise 2 ranks.
And me call you no. Uti abrabo nye den na mo baabi a opese wudru na ma na ye den de ma.
Okay.
Ana me so me ma mi wuntem. Me ma mi onya be 38 years no wi.
Enti ho no ukomu as a casual worker. But on figure na fe omu nyina start ye adwuma.
Ba bi ho na anye yi amfa ma me.
Okay.
Enti me sa free ho na me de ba dunkwaw.
Tenga how a wo de ne be pagya ya ma.
Binya opportunity.
Okay.
Me obi kire masase.
Okay.
What you say? Ana me de ehya ase kakra. Ana nyankopon epagya me. Enti me mom de mining na ma me adruba.
Enti wo koya miner at a point wo be interview ka say na to make $1 million a year. Now we can do no man.
I was say ya ka bibia I was say am check.
Okay.
On say me ka bia me say monko eye PMMC. Precious Minerals Marketing Company.
Okay.
I bind there. Into okoha ene ya no. O pekra ansa na obeyi no. Dinka koho okwa abo hanso mine and asa bo Wontumi din. Chairman Wontumi they know me. Ombeyi me company no ahwe. Wow, access it from day to day.
Now we have $1 million a year.
A day.
A day.
Day, single day.
In a year now making more than $350 million.
You see, Ghana is so rich.
At the height of our mining career now cars are kesiena mudi ejuma no.
I was having about 500 excavators.
500 excavators.
Yes, about 400 pickups.
Na yabeshi o cars ngina.
Yes.
Do you think it was politically motivated at the time?
Yes.
There are some see now when.
Na me wokumase.
Yes, she cars do those.
Omu siezed bebre. Omu siezed bebre no omu she bebre. Na me cars ni bi wo 4BM. Ewo kumase. Ana omu di bi so ba national security wo Accra. Ana excavators no omu di bi ba Accra. Ana bi di omu try adwatu mu. That time we also heard they also send some to Cameroon.
Okay.
Yeah, and the be so much jatu.
Cars send the free ones that day.
Bear 400 pickups means san kabio.
And excavator send on share no.
Excavator be sell about 500 means san kabio.
And at that point na 70 say that day na 70 say obeka say obofo.
That time it drew me. It drew me.
Okay.
Me rare hoy. I'm afraid many year, you know. I was in the bathroom. And me rare fi say me biara na me de me hu sa pia bonte. Me peer free reception, what peer free room ho, me hu nyina na me dey peer free reception ho na me dey peer.
Into why the who?
Oba anya sere okra.
Meaning like everything.
Yes, I am a representative pa.
Into ebrebe na obeka say 9 years e twam years asem ne to wo no. Obeka say wo hyase say wo san apiki abio as a business person.
Still I no mean say no so wo ho. Ani ade so I feel na my renew me nyina me setting it up. I'm now setting it up.
Now say so mining is illegal.
No, I'm not gonna say
you're a mining company.
A mining company. Okay. I started as that is the truth.
As Galamsey.
Yes,
how many are no so by time be?
Ningina no ye. So me wo big land.
Okay.
Me wo bare 100,000 acres land.
E wo hefa.
Tebubu and Biposo.
Okay.
I was Ashanti region. Now having about 100,000 acres land is for me. And you know.
Adding na more years ejuma.
Kakra.
Okay.
Eguswa here na kakra.
Okay. A bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Na minimum so ya adwen.
Yeah, fish.
Politics ba mu ebreben.
Politics. Yeah, the wo.
Okay.
Baby, especially me free to say Ashanti no. I've been the constituency chairman. They have voted for me twice, and Adna region so yato abampre di amame. This is the third time that I'm going.
Na nkofo epe wasem ewo ho.
Yeah.
And now mo de to abama na be party chairman.
Yeah.
Uzuzu se ubenya party chairman ni wie no. Power ne be wura wo mu ma edu ba bi no. Na nkofo timi bu nkotodwe.
Never.
Oh, when you money ade nyina asre wo set.
Never. Me ye Jew.
Obi amu nkotodwe wo anim da.
If my wife is here, they will tell you, or anybody who is close to me, what I say. They know, say, I'm a Jewish. Me mo be munchre because I trust say.
Video na say baya na obi esre wo say maningina as MP no. Na a wrong video na say den.
What's my okay? My kai say. Mrebi ya na ya vetting. Enti anya me nkwana na me wo ho.
Okay.
The general secretary also was there.
Okay.
Enti honorable MP. He was MP before even I become a regional chairman. What I say? Anna ose osrese menka bi man enti yes I you know. Say I minim kwan afa so odinya video but I shout say no you cannot do this. I fear because me ye mu manim kotodwe ejankopon de ebu na nim kotodwe.
Okay inti nyese bia wo ye power drunk na
no
me show obi so say ombu anim kotodwe entisa
oba ma men kasam cho se me obi a power drunker kama kwakoje board chairman bi na se me kwakoje a friend say ministerial or CEO bi ye e ma da
obi so beka say se wo nye power drunk as o kana te say for me na nipa wo for me na ka say nipa mo de na eba as candidates no yempe. But mu insist say chinchina on the faniko. Emma MPP timi lose seat no. To an independent candidate.
Onye independent candidate keke. And you don't understand. Sometimes people try to pick what is in the social media to take it as a reality. It's not like that. No customer woman you say chairman no constituency or no day or no buy na you on down for on na buy as an MP. So they have an issue. And when the love is not there, the hatred automatically will take over. What you are saying
to issue now one sending.
Oh, as a regional chairman there, where then what I say under
your watch as the chairman, if Utimi loses seat to self for mena,
we didn't lose.
But MPP did not win.
MPP are winning.
Independent candidates
okay, but Musa, how do we get the majority? Answer. In the parliament, how do we get the majority?
But Chairman, two packets MPP in the for mena MP na.
Yeah, the MPP did the Atua Bama on Fee 9. Project BI, the buy Biano in MPP demo. One hour, ya dear Mawa, common fund near the end, I want your dear mount. 1 hour, dear year,
as independent, no we need.
But does it change? So would you do your tools, Yoma? Can it turn into fish?
But into Upaka said, we're winning as independent, or your NPP. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, 1 hour.
I mean, I make.
I won't waka.
No, Chairman, see, the question is, my question, and maybe Sanga at the end of this, and they say, as the party chairman in Ashanti region,
they say, yeah,
you're watching,
or by no question, be no. I mean, country will play for.
Do you think, as an MPP chairman, you have failed, Anna?
No. I Ashanti na wene abano. Me, this is the first time. 2016 I buy here, you know. What you say? Me 10 regions. 10 regions no. Your resource Ashanti nya you know. It was 6 regions.
But from the
now,
he say yes,
science and data.
Oh yeah,
sure.
Into Ubejina Bias.
Oh yeah, sure.
Ubejina as chairman.
Oh yeah, sure. So Ubejina
Bias.
Oh yeah, sure. One boat. One boat through Bada. Wontumi is loved in Ashanti.
Into Ubejina now Ubewini.
Oh. Otie we sisi ameno ka se ke kakra akọ aya bana de ewo nyankopon ti
okay
aye Wontumi nko ade a obi nko hodinfo fie enkofa na japade je sa o chekere no
se wo yesi Ashanti region ho se what did you contract bebre for ekwan according to the NDC for eka and say what did you contract bebre wo kura no ye de ma wo ni
unum sama wo ka fa ho unum sama wo ka fa ho otie aye
ajuma intayam passe ya ma contract what did you contract be so ye kwan a wotimi nwie kwan
obia no ho a ama me kwan
wonni wo ye kwan bia
ti de meka ye wo Wontumi ne ye wo Chairman Wontumi ye de me de ye politics
okay
ana Wontumi ye de me de ye me madwuma
okay
what you say enti me madwuma ye de no and this ni for cry ma madwuma na so munya adwuma enti no why are they stopping this to come at because I'm a big why na the man
government am contract bia
well acquire and this for the first so yeah adwuma no be na me so me first one so dey adwuma
na kwan no ye
o mi go so am ye kwan
ebi wo ha wonya wo ye ba bia won kotwa so
ye de loan ye dey kwan
okay
me boa enti sabe bob sia na sika no e delay kakra wo say especially say covid dey buy me ade e slow niam bebre
na say covid about twomko
but it's affected.
Which means that the almost cancer that a waje ba wonye no bi
it's not true.
Na Chairman say na Ghana for complaining about a ahokere ohiam no. At this time na akoto Rolls Royce.
Accommodate.
Me patcho me enye me na make am ho asem.
So the person who can build this studio, you yourself, you say, sir, you have been in media for how many years now?
14.
14
on TV.
14 on TV. And you haven't seen studio like this. So doing this for the public, why I cannot buy car to satisfy? Why do we look for money? Okay. We look for money to be happy. Okay. We look for money for daily bread and daily expenses. Okay. We look for money to look for women.
And see, women also said, "Oh, we are here to say."
I am media.
So can say, oh, can say.
I am media. Me my worry.
Okay, tell you, can say, "Oh, you don't say," which means we ring about Chairman.
I say a media.
Oh, we na ya wodia.
I be there. Said Abraham this year, no. So I'm so many years, but I'm married.
You are not married to one woman, Chairman.
I'm not saying me a guy.
Aye. Me say you me.
And I'm saying not saying me with energy.
And now o man so the was saying.
Me will be.
Baby.
On say Abraham me nrui.
By almost.